Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure each phone is charged and has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on. Install the transfer app you'll use, move to iOS, Google Drive, or another trusted tool, because apps handle permissions and file formats. Once done, sign into the same cloud account or set up a temporary hotspot to bridge networks. This immediately gets you into the transfer flow. You want networking stable before moving big files, so retries and corruption stay minimal. Now pick the right transfer method for your content. Use Move to iOS when moving from Android to iPhone because it maps contacts, messages, and photos. Conversely, backup iPhone data to Google Drive for Android. It preserves contacts, calendar, and photos reliably. For large media or app-specific data, use direct Wi-Fi transfer, Bluetooth tethering, or a USB cable with an adapter to speed things up. Make sure to grant storage and contacts permissions when prompted, so the tools can read and write data. Finish by verifying critical items. Open contacts, messages, photos, and calendar on the target device to confirm completeness. Reinstall missing apps from the App Store or Play Store and sign back into account so data syncs in the background. If something didn't copy, restart both phones and recheck app permissions. Many failures come from denied storage or network access. If wireless methods keep failing, switch to a wired transfer or use Cloud Backup Restore. That often solves interrupted transfers quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.